Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Steve in Florida on this Cobra 29 LTD Classic. Steve got it ready to go for you. I set the noise blanker up like you asked me to. Got your dial a watt right here on the SWR cowl. And I did the receive alignment and undid all the incorrectly done transmit mods and set it up right. 5-watt slug. There's about a half a watt. And a little past 5 all the way up. 100-watt slug. Gonna show you average power swing first. Hello. About 8 bird. Peak power. Low. About 34 watts. That's out of this new 29 right here. Alright, Steve, I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.